Assalamu alaikum my dear student. I welcome you all in my summary video. I hope you all are in good health. Today is Friday 4th of June 2021. Dear student, in our previous class we have read about articles that a and the are article. They precede the noun and are used in undefined expressions. When there is a noun that is singular and countable, then we use a and an. If there is a word that starts with a consonant letter, then we use a. Here is an example like a book, a car. And when there is a noun that is singular and it starts with a vowel letter a, e, I, o, u, then it will precede a tag that is an apple, an eye. And when we are talking about some specific thing, then we use the. We use also for unique things like the sun, the stars, and the rose. The is not used when there is a proper noun like the name of countries, name of city, and name of person, and also the name of a game. And when there is a noun that means before starting the material noun, we can't use the with material nouns like milk and butter, and we also don't use the with abstract noun like bravery, beauty, childhood. It was all about our previous knowledge, previous lecture. Now we are moving toward our today's exercise, that is about articles. We have to fill in the blanks with a and the. Here we have sentence number 1. Dash man who wrote this book is famous. Here the suitable article is the man who wrote this book is famous. The man. Here will be the man. Another sentence is there is dash bag on the table. Bag is singular noun and it is common, so we will say a bag. There is a bag on the table. She has dash old watch. Old watch, this word start with the vowel, so we will say she has an old watch. Another sentence is he is drinking dash glass of milk. He is drinking a glass of milk. Here is glass of milk is singular, so and it also start with the consonant, so we are going to say a glass of milk. Kalsoom is dash pilot. They are talking about Kalsoom, so Kalsoom is a pilot. There is dash airport in my city. Airport start with the vowel letter, so an airport in my city. Last sentence is do you know where I left dash car keys? They are talking about car keys. Do you know where I left? Here we have car specific, so we will say the car keys. Do you know where I left the car keys? Now we are moving towards an activity. Here we have to circle the correct article. It can be a and the. You have two options and you have to circle one here. Number 1 sentence we have I saw a monkey at the zoo and monkey at the zoo. Here the word monkey start with a consonant letter, so here will be a monkey. In second sentence we have the boy quickly ate and cookies, the cookies. The boy quickly ate the cookies. The cookies will be here because it is plural. We use a and for singular nouns. Number 3rd sentence we have that is the class went on a field trip. Here we have an field trip, a field trip. Field trip is start with a consonant letter, so we are going to put a field trip. My friend likes to read a short stories. The short stories. Here will be the story, the short stories. Why? Because stories are plural. Last sentence we have a sun is a bright star. The sun is a bright star. Sun is unique here, so we will say the sun is a bright star. Okay, now we are moving toward another thing, that is digraph. Digraph is a sound made by two consonants when put together. When we put two consonant letter together, we make a sound, and that is called digraph. Examples are given to you. CH, when CH combines, it forms the sound of che, like chart, Chinese, chicken, church, such, and beach. Another example we have SH. When we combine SH, it forms sh or sheen sound, like sheep, ship, fish, and hush. PH. When we combine PH, it forms F sound, like photo, phone, graph, photograph. Then we have TH. When we combine TH, it gives the sound of the, like thunder, thin, path, and breath. After this, we have another example of K and C and K. K and C and K appears at the end of and give the sound of only K, like pick, kick, clock. N and K, it also comes at the end, and they also give the sound of K, like ing, ping, blink. After this, we have an exercise through which we will get to know that what are digraphs here, what are silent digraph here. Here in this sentence I am going to tell you the digraph. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was the second caliph. Here the word caliph have two consonant PH and it gives the sound of F, caliph. He was known for his discipline and administration. Here we have the word known. Here K and N both are consonant letter, and K is mute here. We will not spell K here. We will not pronounce the letter K. We will just say known. So it is silent digraph because K is quiet here. In the Rhine, the Islamic Empire struck to Persia stretch. Here we have the word stretch, STRETCH. Here we have three letters TCH. And here we have one consonant letter, one mute letter, and two will be spelled. Stretch. Here we will T will be quiet here. We will pronounce only CH sound. Stretch to Persia, Rome, and Egypt. So it is silent digraph. He granted scholarship to the poor. In scholarship, we have SCH, three consonant letter. Here one will be mute, one will be quiet, one will be silent, and two will be pronounced. Scholar we will mute H and we will pronounce SCO, scholarship. To the poor, he is a role model for Muslim leaders should follow in the footstep of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu if they want to rule with justice. It was all about to know what are digraph and what are the silent digraph. In silent digraph we quiet one letter. After this we have definition of adjective. Dear student, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Describes means gives some information, like big room. Here we have room is noun, and it is the word big is telling some information about the room. So big is adjective here. Another is beautiful dress. Dress is noun, so beautiful is adjective here. Another example is an adjective gives information of a noun, like brave boy, intelligent boy, smart boy, tall boy, and handsome boy. An adjective tell us about color, size, shape, quality, and quantity of a noun. How? Look at size. We can say large in this shirt is large in size. An insect is a tiny creature, so tiny is here the size of the insect. Then we have quantity. I have 4 friends. I have few coins in my pocket. So few and 4 are also adjectives. Origin, like Sara is a Pakistani girl. She speaks Punjabi language. So here Pakistani and Punjabi describes the origin. After this we have colors, like pink. I have a pink dress. My purse is red in color. Quality, we can say kind and brave. My father is a kind man. Our soldiers are, our army are brave. Shape, the football is circle in shape. The samosa is triangle in shape. So here shapes can be also count in adjectives. I hope you understood through these examples. Now after this we have an activity related to adjective. Fill suitable adjectives in the blank. I and my friends are going to watch a dash movie. Here we have to fill a suitable adjective. It can be horror movie, a funny movie. The dash soldier caught the thief. The smart soldier, the brave soldier caught the thief. Sarah wears beautiful dresses. Sarah wears new dresses. Sarah wears stylish dresses. So here you can fill any suitable adjective of your choice. Our classroom is very big and airy, well lighted and airy. It is very beautiful and airy, well decorated and airy. So you can describe any noun, you can give any information related to your classroom. Last sentence we have, the color of my eyes are blue. It can be green and it can be black and gray shade. So here you can fill any suitable color here. After this, I hope you understood this through the example. Now we are moving toward homework. Dear student, you have homework, that is do question number 3 and 4 of June task in your English NEET notebook. In your June task, you have question number 3, that is write second and the third form of the given verbs, and question number 4, you have to write an application to your principal for sick leave. You will do these both questions in your English notebook. I hope you understood through this summary. I wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.